Stakeholders can be internal or external to the project or organization. Stakeholders also might exert influence on the project deliverables, or the team in order to satisfy their own agenda. Now that we know what a project stakeholder is, let's discuss how we can identify a stakeholder. For this lesson, our example will be a house building project. The first step in stakeholder identification is to think about who the team and customers are, as well as any other organizations that might be affected by the project, and create a list. For our house project, the stakeholders would include the following: the construction company, also known as the project team, subcontractors, the homeowner or customer, the bank or financer, the real estate agent, attorneys, the city tax office, the city inspector, and neighbors. Stakeholders can be characterized into three main groups. Primary stakeholders are those that stand to be directly affected, either positively or negatively, by the project, decisions, or actions of the project. Secondary stakeholders are those that are indirectly affected by the project or decision or actions of the project. The last group of stakeholders is key stakeholders. They can belong to either the primary or secondary stakeholder groups. The key stakeholder groups have an effect on the project as well as the project having an effect on them. In an organization, this might be the executive who sponsored the project. In our house building project, this might be the construction company, subcontractors, customer, bank, and city inspector. To help determine which group to place a stakeholder in, a project manager will evaluate the stakeholder for needs and expectations. Each stakeholder would be evaluated for objective: what are their desired results of the project? Measures: how will this stakeholder validate that the objectives were met? Impact: what changes could a stakeholder